For this recipe, you'll need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. You can add 1 cup of milk if you want a lighter sauce, 8 ounces of fettuccine pasta, 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, fresh parsley for garnish. First, season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the chicken breasts and cook for about 6-7 minutes on each side, until fully cooked through. Remove from the skillet and let them rest before slicing. While the chicken cooks, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the fettuccine and cook according to package instructions until al dente. Drain and set aside. In the same skillet used for the chicken, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté until fragrant, about 1 minute. Pour in the heavy cream and bring it to a simmer. Reduce the heat to low and stir in the grated Parmesan cheese until melted and the sauce is smooth. For a lighter sauce, you can add some milk. Slice the cooked chicken into thin strips. Add the cooked pasta to the skillet with the Alfredo sauce, tossing to coat the pasta evenly. Top it with the sliced chicken. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley if desired. And there you have it, a perfect chicken Alfredo. Serve immediately and enjoy. Bon appétit! Feel free to add your own personal touches and style to make it uniquely yours.